Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the Kashi Lending feature on SushiSwap. This basically allows you to lend out your cryptocurrency and in exchange, receive an interest rate. Now, where this differs from something like staking is that when you use the Kashi Lending feature, you're basically lending out your crypto to somebody else who is putting up collateral, which you will receive if they are not able to pay you your cryptocurrency back. So you kind of know the risks associated with your position before you go into it. So let's dive into exactly how this works and show you step by step what is going on here. So the first step is to navigate to sushi.com and then press enter app. This will take you to app.sushi.com, and you're going to need a MetaMask wallet with some Ethereum in it. If you're not sure how to do that, I've got a video right up here showing you how to do that and connect it to SushiSwap. So make sure to check that video out first, but then I'll assume that you have this MetaMask wallet with some Ethereum in it and ready to go. Now, what you're going to want to do first is come over here to lending and press lend. This will take you into the Kashi platform where you can see all of the different markets that are available for lending. So you can see here, if we lend out the NMR token, we can earn some wrapped Ethereum and at a 748% APR right now, which is quite high. As you can see, going down the list, the APR will be reduced, and these are all the different pairs that we could be lending. So the first one is the token that you have to lend. The second is what the collateral is, okay? So what the borrower has put up and said, okay, if I don't pay you back, you're gonna get my wrapped Ethereum, you're going to get my USDC, my X Sushi, etc. So once you find one of these that you like the APR, you like the collateral, you like the market, you'll just go in and click into it. Let's say we want to do this USDC with Badger collateral. We'll click into here. We can see what percent has already been borrowed. We can see the APR associated here, so about 11% APR, which is not too bad. And you can see their collateral is about 5,080 Badger tokens. So if they were to default, okay, if we lend them some USDC and they default, then we're going to receive those Badger tokens. So because I only really have Ethereum in this particular MetaMask wallet, we're just going to scroll down until we find one where I can deposit some Ethereum. So here we go. We can deposit some wrapped Ethereum and in return receive some X Sushi tokens. The APR is very low, but that's not too bad. So we'll just go in here and let's say we want to deposit some wrapped Ethereum from our wallet. Our balance is 1.38. So let's just say we want to deposit one wrapped Ethereum. Here you can see the APR. You can see how much has already been borrowed. And you can see the collateral here is about 1,300 X Sushi tokens. So that means if we lend them some Ethereum, they default on that. In return, we're going to receive some of these X Sushi tokens, which is kind of our downside protection here. So from here, you'll just press approve Kashi. You'll get a pop-up in MetaMask asking you if you want to sign off to giving access to Bento Box, which we'll just press sign. And then you can just press deposit. You get another pop-up here showing you the transaction fee. And if all that looks good to you, you'll just press confirm and that will go through. I personally don't want to lend it to this person, so I'm just going to press reject here. And so that will not go through. But that's the entire process for lending on the Kashi platform within SushiSwap. Obviously, if you find any other markets you want to lend to, you can just come back to trade and swap and then trade for whatever tokens you need in order to lend in these particular markets. So let's say we wanted to lend to this first one with NMR. We just come back here to swap. We would grab some NMR. And let's just say we want to buy one of these. You can see the cost associated with that. We just go through with that and then come back to lending, lend, and then deposit that NMR here. Now, if you want to understand how the other side of this transaction works, how actually borrowing through the Kashi platform works, you can check out this video we have on screen right now, walk through exactly how that process works. So check out that video and I'll see you over there.